Welcome to our guide on running Linux on a Chromebook. Let's explore how these versatile devices work. First, let's define Linux. It's an open-source operating system known for its stability and customization options. Linux offers numerous advantages, including heightened security, adaptability, and a thriving community. You might wonder, can Linux run on a Chromebook? The answer is yes, and we'll discuss how. There are several methods to run Linux on your Chromebook. Let's explore them. One of the best ways is to use Crostini. It provides a seamless experience for running Linux apps. Another option is Crouton, which allows you to run Linux alongside Chrome OS easily. Standalone Linux installations are also possible, but come with some challenges you should consider. Fortunately, there are plenty of resources available to guide you through installing and using Linux. We've also compiled a list of common issues and troubleshooting tips to help you along the way. In conclusion, running Linux on a Chromebook can greatly enhance your computing experience, making it versatile and powerful.